Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. Do you know how to delete stories in your Snapchat? In today's video, I am going to show you how can you delete your stories into your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat application. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the application, just go to your profile by clicking this profile icon into the top left corner. Step 2. Tap to the story that you added. Now after coming to the profile, you can see this story that you have added. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 3. Delete the story. Now after coming to your story, you just simply have to click into these three dots into the top right corner, and after clicking there, you can see this delete option into here. Simply tap there, and after tapping, just confirm the delete by tapping to this delete button again. By following these very easy steps, you can also delete your Snapchat stories. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.